This is good because
Maganda
this
yung
is
bed
wood.
niya, oo.
Yeah. Walang
Parang bed mo
aalog-alog.
dati.
Oo. Alam na alam ni ate ko ano yung bed ko. Walang aalog-alog, which is good. So, dito sa taas is 750 daw. Pagkapos sa baba is, 850. Wala kayong kamag-anak po dito?
May pinsan ako naman dito.
Pero hindi po siya yung tutuluyan nyo ngayon.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Kasi kakalipat lang din niya.
Mm-mm.
Then, hindi yata siya allowed na magsama sa sa partition niya. So, sabi ko, okay lang.
Okay. So si ate, hinanapan natin ng bahay. Hindi ko pa rin nakita kung ano ang itsura pero pupuntahan natin
Ay,
ngayon.
meron na. Thank you.
Opo, so didiretso ko po kayo doon. Pagkatapos tingnan natin. Sana pwede natin i-video para makita natin.
Oo.
Kasi
Kung
syempre,
ayos
alam mo na, yung mga tao dito, bago sa United Arab Emirates, syempre curious sila kung ano ba yung itsura talaga ng mga bahay dito sa UAE. But the thing is, siguro...
Pero nanonood ako ng mga vlog mo, so may mga idea na.
Yeah.
Ready na ako. don't
Ready na
worry.
po na. Okay, so sige, let's go! So, nandito na kami ni ate. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung itsura ng bahay ni ate. So, sabi ni ate Rosalie, meron na daw siya idea kung ano yung itsura.
Ready tayo,
Yeah.
kahit anong ano.
Ano pa, ako na po dyan.
Thank you.
Yeah, ready na daw siya and dito tayo nakakatawa kasi yung may-ari is sinundo tayo dito sa baba. Nandito kami sa elevator. Thank you so much, brother. What's your name, bro? Rajesh.
Yeah.
So you're the owner of this flat?
Yes.
Okay, so si Mr. Rajesh is my owner
Hi.
of the flat. Yeah, hello. So just give us discount. Because she's new in Dubai.
Actually, I'm paying the same amount after they will kill me.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. As long as this is really good, really
Yeah,
comfortable. Yeah, so let's go for it.
All combined maybe.
All kabayan? So, Ms. Rosalie, excited na po kayo? Ano na-expect niyo po?
Wala masyadong low expectation. Kaya sabi ko nung nakita. So, ready
This
tayo.
also-
Oh, wow!
This one, you
Oh,
So, let's go po.
biometrics pa siya, social.
So, ito na ang bahay ni ate. Wow! At least, meron po kayong ano. Wow!
So, may living room and dining.
Yeah. Iba diretso sa kitchen, at least you have space po dito.
Yes.
So, see, this is their toilet. I can see na malinis. So, ito yung kanilang kusina. Wow! Ate, malinis siya ah. Kahit pa paano po, no? Para kang nasa Pilipinas dito. Please, pakita po ng basura before bedtime. Sobrang dami ng ipis. Oh. Siyempre, ayaw natin ng mga ipis.
Yes.
And,
please have a
ayan.
seat for you.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
there's
It's
also
okay.
Dining
living
table,
room. Yeah.
sitting
Yeah.
table. You can little.
Yeah, tingnan po natin.
Oo,
Ayan na. Titingnan natin ngayon kung ano itsura na kanyang titiran dito. So, which one is available, brother?
This, number, that one's down
Down,
Uh-huh.
is it?
and up this.
Ah,
This one
up
down
this.
this. So you can
Ate.
choose 750.
750.
You can give us...
Up.
I can take up.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But
How much?
Okay, alam mo, maganda dito kasi.
you have
ano
before leave,
siya?
you have to give one,
Look,
one
But
notice.
notice, yeah, I know. It's okay.
taas. Wait lang po, narinig po kayo. Lika dito. Kasi, grabe yung yung bed, which is, this is good because
Maganda
this is
yung bed
wood.
niya, oo.
Yeah. Walang
Parang bed mo
aalog-alog.
dati.
Oo. alam na alam ni ate ko ano yung bed ko. Walang aalog-alog, which is good. So, dito sa taas is 750 daw. Pagkapos sa baba is, 850 or 800. So, tingnan mo. May salamin ba sila dito? Wow. So, tingnan natin yung taas ate. Dito?
Malamig. Yun. Doon sa kabila.
May nakatira dyan. Dito sa
Oh, yan
kabila.
sa kabila.
And then, ilan kayo? 1, 2,
2, 4,
3,
6, 8.
4. Ilan kayo lahat ate? 8. And then, dito, alam mo madalang ate yung ganito, yung may bintana.
Yung may bintana.
Oo.
Oo, actually sabi ko, parang mahirapan ako pag walang bintana kasi para kung...
Oo, nasusuffocate.
Oo.
Pero dito, look at this.
May
They have
bintana, makakasilip tayo.
Oh. Ay, dito sila nagsasampay. Bongga. So, it means, pwedeng ibukas to.
So glass door siya.
Oo, wow. Maganda na rin kahit pa paano, sulit na rin. Instead na yung yung po talaga. Alam mo yun, yung tinipid, pagkas pinagkakitaan ng sobra. Pero eto, cool. Okay siya. Saka malapit dun sa pupuntahan ni ating training center and everything. Okay? So, I'm gonna leave her. So, take care of her, okay? It's all Filipinos here, right?
Yes, all ladies.
Ladies, you're the only guy. Oh my God, you're lucky.
No, I'm not coming. So I just
You're not coming here. Okay. So you only have 2 rooms.
Yeah.
One room,
I have upstairs also. Same setup.
same setup. Okay. How about, can
How
we
many
take a look of
people?
that?
They're full.
They're full.
8 also, right?
No, only 6.
Oh, okay.
They're only 6. Okay.
So 14 people only.
Yeah.
14 people. And how many rooms?
No, all already working.
They all
Come to sleep
working.
only.
How many toilets do you have here? Yung toilets
This
nila
all-
is ito.
Yeah,
One
all
toilet
fine and
here.
clean.
So, okay. And one toilet here. Ate, okay do. Malinis yung toilet nyo.
Yes.
This is very clean.
Yes.
You have a
washing machine, everything is available.
Yeah, you have Filipina girlfriend?
No.
No, wife.
I don't know how to impress Philippine girlfriend. I want. But I don't know how to.
So, eto. So, sign talaga ng maraming, tumakatira dito is itong mga, what do you call this one? Rice
Just
cooker.
be yourself.
Yeah.
That's all.
So, yeah, this is really amazing. So, thank you so much for Ate Rosalie. Sana
Thank you
maging
din po
okay
sa
po kayo
tulong,
dito.
ah.
Yeah. Sige po, okay naman po kayo. Satisfied na po kayo sa bahay
Yes,
niyo.
okay naman siya.
Yeah.
Mas naman siya, lumampas siya sa expectation ko.
Yeah. Ang ina-expect ni Ate is mas worst. But the thing is, this is good.
This is
Amazing. At least that you have this
setup.
to
Only
use
2
it.
rooms, so less
Yeah.
people.
Yeah,
It's
less
not
people.
crowded.
So guys, nakita na namin yung mga bed space doon sa kabilang bahay niya. Sabi ni Kuya, papakita pa doon niya sa amin doon sa 5th floor yung kanyang mga partitions. And also, there's also a bed space there. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura. At kung malay mo, makonvince si ate na mag-partition pala. Mahal. Let's go here. May idea
You want
pa.
partition?
There's a partition upstairs,
Yes.
right?
But right now, it's a bit expensive, so.
Yeah.
Because she's new
You
here.
still searching job?
Yeah. Okay, help her out.
I will help you. Don't worry. Just send me your CV.
So guys, eto wow, oh wow, this is also nice, no ate? Wow, so this is bed space.
Tell to.
Hello po. So di, Kuya Well po, hello.
Uy, ang tsaka ko naman.
Hindi pa so ganito po pala yung bahay niya.
nandito.
Pero maganda po
Malinis
siya yung bed space,
Kasi may
malinis.
mayordoma kami dyan, no? Si Ate Irish.
Ay, si Ate Irish po. Saka ito lang po, ito yung bahay nila guys. So, see, 4 lang sa... Ay, lang po! Ay, eto. Kaso sa kabila po, wala daw kayo available po dito.
Sa kabila.
Opo, sa ano po. Pero mag... Sa kabila po. You have? Meron na po.
Excuse me, madam. Can you explain something about the?
You know, this is better. To be honest, this is
Same.
better. Same, yeah. It's maganda din dito sa 5th floor nila. And where's the partition? I wanna see the partition. Papakita natin yung partition niya. Kasi ngayon, bed space.
Now someone there. But I will show you another. Which one available there?
Oh, nice. How much is that? How much is that?
It's 3,000. Big size.
But how much? 3,000.
Yes, big one.
Yeah. But expensive. And their toilet, ang ganda nila kasi, alam mo, yung ano talaga sikit ng araw, yun yung hinahabol ko sa isang ano din, pag sa bahay. You know, the sun
Yeah.
is shining too
Kitchen also same sun coming.
Yeah, ito yung kanilang kusina. Wow! Gusto ko din pumupukas pa dito, kita yung labas. Ayan. So, grabe. Maganda dito. And then the toilet as well. See? It's very amazing. It's maganda siya, maganda. Wala akong masabi. So guys, isa tong ano natin, isa si ate.
Kasi, hindi ko naka-prepare.
Hindi, so ate, alam kami pasok ngayon.
Wala, naka-4 sleeve ako.
Ay, bakit? Bakit ganyan naka-4 sleeve?
Eh, ganun talaga sa mga nangyayari dito.
Yeah. So, paano po yun pag naka-4 sleeve pa?
Bayad naman siya kami. Bayad naman yung leave namin ngayon.
Apo. Pero, so, okay naman po.
Okay naman siya.
Nakakabayad naman kayo ng bahay.
Yes. Ano naman, affordable naman si Kuya Rajesh.
Nakakatawa po.
Affordable,
Ako,
oo.
napakabait ng ano nyo, may-ari ng flat
Mabait,
na to, no?
tapos malinis pa.
Yeah, yun yung
Disiplinado
nakakatawa.
talaga dito.
Yeah.
Tapos tahimik pa.
Madam Iris.
Hindi, okay lang. So, kamusta naman po yung pamumuhay sa taas ng bed space?
Okay naman siya. Mabilis lang naman. Siguro sa mga kaedad-edad ko. Pero yung mga ano na, may mga rayuan na. yung may mga
Mahirap.
rayuan na, hindi na siya pwede dito sa taas.
Ano po yung mga gamit nyo dyan sa taas?
Dead ko lang. Tapos dito ako, ang kalat. Tapos dito ako nagsasampay.
Dito kayo nagsasampay? Ah, yun yung sampahin nyo. So, dito kayo nagpapatuyo?
Natutuyo
talaga po?
naman siya. Mabilis naman siyang matuyo.
And then, eto po, ano po to?
dito, yung mga ano
Pagkain
lang,
nyo.
pagkain ko, mga stocks lang, pampaganda, char.
So, ang konti nyo lang po dito, 2468.
Oo, tapos wala pa yung ano, dalawang bed na bakante.
Ay, wala pa daw to.
Baka meron
Wala pa
pa
to.
Mababalik
Actually,
dito.
ngayon, first day niya. So, naghahanap ako ng ano niya, bahay. I think,
No,
kayo po, you have to choose. Kayo you have to talk maybe. Kung gusto niyo dito or gusto niyo po sa kabila, kayo.
Sa akin, mas maliwanag yung sa
Mas maliwanag sa kabila. Oo. So, basta, when you change your mind po, when she changed the mind, so she can come here and then it's up to
She
you.
will
You
lie
talk,
down, no,
okay?
I
Yeah. Thank you so much. Ano po name niyo po?
May.
Thank you po, Miss May.
Sige
Sige
po,
po,
thank you.
bye-bye. So,
Madam
grabe ang
Ines?
ganda. Thank you po, ate. So, grabe
Thank you
itong
so
bahay
much for
nila
your,
dito. Option toilet.
I had good. Something good.
Brother, you told me this is only for ladies?
Yes.
But why the toilet has this?
Before,
Male and...
it was before.
It was before, okay.
Before partition,
So, sige.
After
Let's go
from
na.
the partition.
Ang dami niyong flat, ito at ito. So, sige, pakita mo sa amin,
This is
kuya.
third flat for me. On the door.
Okay.
So here no bed space.
No bed space, what's
Yes,
this?
the room. This room for me. Some.
Ah, that's your room? Wow! That's your room. Okay.
Yes.
Can we come in?
You don't have,
Yeah.
then why it's pink?
Yeah, why it's pink? Why it's pink?
Like that. So.
This is your room. Wow,
Yes.
that's
You can
very-
sell this one, no problem. I can check. If someone like, you can change.
Yeah, grabe yung
If you
room
don't
niya.
like
ah.
something.
But why this is pink?
Yeah.
Are you straight?
No, this is actually.
I'm just
my
kidding.
sister.
This is your sister. Okay, so joke lang. Pero maganda yung ano
Yeah.
nila. Oh, yung ilaw.
Which one free? I will show
Okay.
you the-
Binuksan pa ni Kuya ilaw, pero ang
Okay.
cool niya.
Here also same.
Mm.
Same to washroom. Okay. To washroom, kitchen, everything same setup.
Yeah.
Everything is
Funny.
And
Much
which
just
one
than I.
will show you. This one if you can say.
What is that? What is that?
Yeah, come.
Is that partition?
Yes.
Okay. So ito po yung empty
Yes, you can
partition.
see.
How much is that?
This I can give you 2,000, no problem.
2,000.
Yes, very
Okay.
good. The couple with the window.
Yeah,
You can open
window
the
is very
window
important.
also. Yes.
Wow! Especially during the winter
Yes.
time.
So sun
This-
direct you can get sunlight.
Yeah. Okay siya. ah. Okay, okay.
So next one also one single lady there. So no crowded there.
No,
Only
it's
4-5
not
people
crowded.
here.
Okay, can we see?
Yes.
Grabe, no? Ah, this is their toilet. This is clean, ha? At least
Oh,
they are
clean,
clean.
oh.
Actually, mga room na ganun talagang most of the
Yeah.
time, that's for with jowa, with girlfriend or boyfriend, ha?
Yes, okay.
But you told me this is only for...
No, the
Ladies.
ladies the only bed space.
Ah, okay. I thought they can
There's the
only
bed
bring
space for
ladies. Ladies, jowa as well. So, ayan. Tapos, ito yung toilet din nila. Wow. Yeah, give her water because it's her first time. At least she has water.
You
Yeah.
drink also.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so
Welcome, bro.
much.
Thanks for your visiting also.
Ah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Uh,
Thank you so much. So, take care of my clients, huh?
always.
Yeah,
She's
okay.
my sister now. No, don't worry.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Yeah.
So,
So, okay.
also.
I'm gonna say goodbye. And
Bye,
Ate
take
Rosalie,
care.
thank you so much. Okay na po bahala sa kanya. Sige po. Bye-bye. Ay, pinatay na tayo ng ilaw. Naging house tour talaga to na iba't ibang mga flat niya. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nagkaroon na naman kayo ng idea ko ng itsura ng bed space and partition nila. Bye-bye. Take care. Yeah, message
Keep
me.
in touch
Okay.
and
Yeah.
your link also.
Yeah, I will. Okay, bye-bye. Sige po, bye-bye po. So guys, grabe nakakatuwa. So si ate first niya dito sa United Arab Emirates and also nag-enjoy siya kung ano ba yung itsura ng bahay dito sa Dubai kasi yung in-expect niya na sobra talagang minsan magulo. Itong natuluyan niya is maganda naman din. Okay? So thank you for watching and welcome ate dito sa Dubai. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching.